What's up, y'all? I'm Brooke.
And I'm Grace.
Welcome back to the PG Sisters.
Flavored macarons.
These are so good. It's awesome.
They take a while to make, so make sure you have a long period of time to make them, and make sure there's a couple of things that we suggest you guys have that will make this macaron process easier. So if you have them, it's great. If you don't, it's fine. We'll figure it out. But yeah. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel by pressing the big red button down below.
Hit the notification bell in this corner
so you get notified whenever we post a new video. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it.
And finally, comment down below what you think we should bake next.
Okie dokie, let's get on to the video.
I'm going to show you all the ingredients for the almond blend. 150 grams of almond flour, 150 grams of confectioner sugar or powdered sugar.
They're the same thing.
42 grams of egg whites. Now, if you get any yolk in it, the macarons won't work, so make sure it's just whites. Orange gel food coloring.
I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredients for the Italian meringue. 37 grams of water in a candy tap water. 150 grams of sugar. 66 grams of egg whites. Now, let's get on to the bacon.
Baking!
Baking! Yeah! Baking! Oh yeah!
It's time to prepare the pan for the macarons.
For this process, we printed off some macaron templates. They're about 1.5 inch circles, and then we placed parchment paper over it and cut the parchment paper to fit the pan.
Alright guys, so we're going to start by sifting our almond flour, and then we're going to mix it with our powdered sugar, and then we're going to sift it one more time.
At the very end of your sifting process, there should be little balls of almond flour. You do not want to sift these. What you want to do is just dump those in the trash can, because if you do sift those in, it will release the oils in the almond flour, which will ruin the macarons.
Add your egg whites into your flour and sugar mixture. Do not stir it.
Before you pour your eggs into your bowl, dig a divot in the middle of your almond mixture and pour your eggs in that.
Alrighty guys, so we're going to start making the Italian meringue. It is a ton of information and it's kind of all at once, so I'm going to tell you guys with the paper. Okay, so you're going to place the sugar along with the water in a pan and do not stir for 2 minutes. So let it set for 2 minutes. Then you're going to turn on your stove, and once it reaches 230 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to turn on your electric KitchenAid on level 8, so medium high. Then once your sugar reaches 244 degrees Fahrenheit, add the syrup to the egg whites. And remember to place it gently touching the bowl.
While adding your sugary mixture to your egg whites, you need to be very quick because the sugar can crystallize at the bottom of the bowl. Also, during this process, this will be where you add your orange food coloring. We'll know when your Italian meringue is done when it has a soft peak.
So once you have your finished meringue, fold into your almond mixture, and you'll know when it's ready when it is shiny.
Alrighty guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to pipe our macarons into about 1.5 inch circles.
It's best to have a circle tip to pipe your macarons with. After you've finished piping your macaroons, drop them from about a foot above the surface you're dropping them on 3 times. This helps to get all the bubbles out of your macaroons.
Once you drop the macaroons, let them sit for 30 minutes.
Now that they have sat for 30 minutes, put them in the oven on convection at 293 degrees for 10 minutes.
Now it's time to make the frosting. The ingredients are 7 tablespoons of orange marmalade, half a cup of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 stick of softened butter. Whisk all the ingredients together until they are light and fluffy.
Alrighty guys, after they come out of the oven and cool for about 10 minutes, take them off of the parchment paper, and then you're going to find the macaroon that best matches the other macaroon, like this. So we'll see you guys when we're done.
So what you're gonna do, you don't have to do this, but we like to take our matching ones, put one side face down, one side face up, and then you can kind of squirt some in the middle, and then take the top part and push it down so it spreads out all over the macaroon.
So yeah, do it. Watching this video.
We really enjoyed the macaroons. They were so good.
They took a while to make, but that's just fine.
Before you leave, comment down below what you think we should bake next.
Subscribe to this channel by pressing that big red button down below.
Hit the notification bell in the corner so you get notified whenever we post a new video.
And finally, give this video a huge thumbs up if you want more like this and if you like it.
Bye!